In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text appear and disappear on Canva video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to time your text so it shows up at the perfect moment, fades out gracefully, and keeps your video looking clean and professional. Start by opening your video project in Canva, then use the text tool to add a new text box to your canvas. Type your message and style it the way you want. You can change the font, size, and color so it fits your brand or the tone of your video. Keep the text large enough to read on smaller screens and choose colors with strong contrast against your background for better visibility. Next, let's turn on the timing controls. Right-click directly on the text box on your canvas and choose Show Timing. You'll see a purple bar appear on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. That bar represents the exact duration your text will be visible in the video. To control when the text appears, click and drag the left edge of the purple bar to the spot where you want it to pop in. To decide when it disappears, drag the right edge to the moment you want it to leave. Use the playhead on the timeline as a guide and align the edges with beats in your music or cuts in your footage. Small, precise drags work best if you need more accuracy. Zoom in on the timeline for finer control. As you adjust, preview your video to make sure the timing feels natural and doesn't overlap with other on-screen elements. Now, add a bit of polish with animations. Click the text box again and select Animate from the top toolbar. Choose an animation style that matches your video's mood: fade for subtlety, rise for a gentle lift, or typewriter for a dynamic text reveal. In the animation settings, decide how it should play, apply it to both to animate in and out, select on Enter if you only want an intro effect, or on Exit if you only want an outro. This creates smooth transitions that feel intentional rather than abrupt. Give everything one more preview from start to finish. Make sure the text doesn't linger longer than needed and that it's time to the key moments you want to emphasize. Adjust the purple bar edges or tweak the animation selection if something feels off. When it looks right, you're all set. Thanks for watching.